How to see Bybit spot trading losses. So if you want to see your losses on your spot trading in Bybit, let me show you step by step how to do it. After you open the Bybit, go to assets. After you go to assets, so now you tap on this option, today's P&L, this one. After you tap on the option, now you choose this spot. After you select the spot, so from this option, now if you want, you can specify the out date. So if you have any losses and profit, you'll be able now to see it in this option. They will appear in this option and they'll give you the percentage. And you can just specify the amount. This is for last 7 days. If you want, you can tap on this custom time to specify the date, or you can choose 30, 60, 90, and above. So you can only see the loss and the profit, but you cannot be able to see only the loss. So this will give you the loss you get and the profit you get for the last date you choose in the option, in this option now. And that's it, guys, on how to see profit and loss in Bybit, or how to see the losses you get in Bybit spot option. Hope this video helps. Like and subscribe, or we'll meet in the next one.